So here is a fan comparison video I'm doing between a 2005 Galaxy 4733 box fan and a 1991 or 1992 Galaxy 4713. So you got a Galaxy 4733 and a 4713. Now, as you can definitely tell, the 4713 from 91 is obviously bigger. I have done another description video of this one before, so I'm not going to totally go into all details on it. So if you want to see the video I did on this fan, you can go back and watch the first one that I did. It's in my it's on my channel now. But there are a couple major distinctions between these two. I'm going to do a comparison. I might as well talk about some of the differences and similarities. So one of the major differences between these two fans is the back of the... turn this thing around. The motors is one of the major differences. Besides what you can obviously see there, the blades are also clearly different. This one here has the D-blade pedal blades and the 4733 that I'm turning around right now. It has the pedal blades. So that one's got the 4713's got the paddle D blades, and the 4733 has the pedal blades with it. And it's also got a cheap, crappy, made in China PSC induction motor. Whereas as you can tell by looking, the 4713 has a Marco motor, and that's a full-size shaded pole motor. Also induction. Get in there a little quicker for you. Let's check this out. So there's the back. You can't even really see the motor in there. There's the kind of hard to see that. That's the Marco motor inside of that thing. I'm gonna turn both back around again. The 4713 is missing its feet. This one does not have. You can't put this on a stand. It does not have that option. They had already stopped doing that because this thing really could not hold up, for one. Couldn't really hold up with that crappy motor in it, and the plug of the typical plug. That's when this is around the time they first started using the blue plug. And it's because they started burning up, because I think it had something to do with the motors. From being outside, they just could not handle being in that heat, and the plugs started overheating or something, and a lot of them started catching on fire. And so that's when they started putting the blue plugs on there. So they're not as industrial as the older ones, where this one here, you can still put that thing on a stand, as you can see by the side there, and the motor is pretty good. You can oil it fairly easily. I haven't tried to actually oil this one, just because I haven't really needed to yet. But anyway, I think I'm going to go ahead and start them up. Let's start up the Galaxy 4713 high first. Down to medium. Although it does have some vibration issues. It was in pretty good shape. It's not missing its handle. Neither one of those things are missing their handles on them. And honestly, I think that the 4713, that's the crappiest thing about it, is that handle that it has on there. See that handle. It does seem like it vibrates, but I'll go down to low. But like I said, that thing is still Out of all of my Lascos, that one is by far the best one I have. Now off. It's got a nice spin down time as well. Now we're going to start the Galaxy 4733 up on high. Medium. I guess that one is 2. 3, 2, 1, it's the high, medium, low. So 2. And down to 1. Definitely a lot quieter of a low than the Marco Moto one. 4713. Now off. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe if you want to.